right. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, traders around the world. This is Phil V at Trading Capital Markets, and we are the 12th of May, 2025, and we're 9:30 a.m. currently at the open. Let's get into it. So, first initial reaction is down. Not surprised because of this price action using premium arrays for resistance. Hello, Roger. Nice to see you again. So, let's see what we got today. First sell side was attacked right at the open. Second sell side is coming up. On the minute, this is the fair value gap that's left. Oops. Let's extend this over here. That's the 1 minute fair value gap that's left below this sell side liquidity. Yeah, crazy market this night there, Roger. A bunch of Trump comments over the weekend and the news about the China breakthrough deal going down from 145 to 30% tariffs is pretty important. Today I'm gonna cut the session a little bit shorter than usual. I'll probably leave for around 10:20 because I have things to do later, but we'll see what we could catch until then. Let's see. Euro USD dropped hard. Day trading Euro USD. Oh yeah. Yeah, I did. Wow. Okay, so we have the first presented fair value gap right here. So the first presented fair value gap is always the one it's the first one after 9:30 candle. So this first presented fair value gap over here, we do that in purple. And now we're in a daily breaker right here. This orange part that extends all the way up to here is the daily breaker. Okay, so right now we bounced off the consequent encroachment of this first presented fair value gap. Still making our way lower. Let's see. Remember last Friday, Roger, where we didn't take a trade and we were waiting for this breaker to get tapped into to short again. It did it in the afternoon and then sold off. I took a short over here. I took 11 points. That's it, just to pay commissions. All right. So we are breaking lower. Breaking lower with a possible fair value gap created. Yep. Let's see if it takes these lows. I'm really interested because this is the type of low that usually does not get taken, but we shall see. I like this fair value gap over here on the 1 minute. This big one. Okay, so because of this close, I think I'm gonna get back. I'm gonna short this because we closed below this. I think I'm gonna short this fair value gap over here. I have tight stop above here because I want to get the top of this fair value gap. I didn't get it. Now if we take sell side before coming back over here, then I'll take this order off. But in paper trading, there was an interesting relative equal lows he had to catch. Yeah, that is true. So he just bounced off the lows. All right, we took the lows. I'm gonna take this off. It's a lot of points. Now we'll see how we start reacting in this area. Another fair value gap over here. This should have been my first entry over here. Let's see. Okay, so now it just bounced right off the lows we just broke. Let's see if we could break through. No, this is not futures chart. This is this is CFDs. Yeah, yeah. Some candles are different on CFDs compared to futures. That is true. I'm gonna trade futures soon. Because I'm practicing for CFDs for the account that I might get. Yeah, it's normal. I have a feeling that it'll come back all the way to the open price. We'll see. Yeah, exactly. Right here. One, two, three, four. We took the sell side liquidity, but these are minor liquidities, but this is what we want to get to. That buy side over here. All right, so check this out. We made a high, new low. We might be building right now. Let's see if we break the structure. Yeah, exactly. We wait for a break on the 1 minute over this after taking this liquidity. Break and close above this high right here. We'll see what we get. Guys, because I think markets are optimistic, so this is just a way to even come get this liquidity over here. This liquidity on the left side. We'll see. Okay, coming back down. Here the high wasn't passed. Market's still intact. The structure. But it's slowing down, you see. Every new every new low is accompanied by a closer high to the previous high. Now it's going to take these highs, I think. No news today, no financial, no economic indicators today, so that's good. Pure price action. Let's see, did Trump tweet anything? Boom. There you go. You see that? It's gonna take these highs. Like we said, if it breaks, if it breaks, to enter on the breaker or on a fair value gap. Um, Whatever you'd like. I mean, depending on your risk profile, but I typically get in on the fair value gap. On these small moves, I get on fair value gaps. On big moves, I get on breakers. My camera stayed bugged. I don't know what's going on. Let's see. Properties. Is my camera bugged for you? Like, am I not moving? Uh-huh. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, it's breaking. There you go. Did not close above. I'll just keep the stream like this because if I close the my streaming service, it's called OBS, then it's gonna close the stream. So we'll just keep the screen on for now. Anyways, it's trading that you want, not do you want to see, not my face. Okay, I like what it's doing over here. So now we have a close. Oof. Close at the top, body closed at the top, didn't even pass. Now it's starting to pass. Let's see what we get. All right, 17 seconds. Let's see. It's probably gonna close up top. Yeah. Use this to come back down a little bit. This fair value gap. Okay, didn't. Perfect. Let's see what we get over here. I'm gonna put my order right here, but I'm gonna drag it to wherever this fair value gap closes. So I'm gonna close it at. I'm gonna drag it to the gap over here. Okay, so my order is gonna be here. But you see how fast it's pushing back up? That's crazy. Come back. Oh no. Okay, so here you see a rejection on the first presented fair value gap. We are in. Stop losses is going to be down here. And then second order is going to be at the sell side liquidity. Yeah, I'll leave it there. And it's this fair value gap. that had not get tapped into right here. So I'm putting at the top of that fair value gap. Let's see if it gets me in. Hopefully it gets me in. But now it's bouncing off of this inversion. Come on. Yeah, that's it. Come take this low over here. Oh, it doesn't want to pass. Okay. It took these lows over here, little ones. Probably gonna get bought back up a little bit. But I think it's gonna tap into this last bullish fair value gap on the a little bit below. If not, I would buy it back right now. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. There we go. All right, good job. Yeah, right here, the breaker. I entered at over here too. But let's see. I might even enter one over here because I still got margin. Let's go back on, let's see the fib retracement of this move. So we're probably at the 70% right now. 70% is a little bit lower. So we tapped into fair value gap over here. Now we should start running up. We should start running up. We tapped in the last fair value gap. I wanted to keep it a bit lower to see if it dipped. Yeah, like that. Let's see. There's this order block left. Let's see, let's see, let's see. And now I'm in on my last position. There you go. There you go. Fantastic. That's what we like to see. And now retracement to new highs. Come on. So now we're jumping off the 78%. If we stay within this fair value gap, make it back up here. Should be good. There you go. So I like bodies. I would like bodies to stay within this fair value gap and start building up again. Like this. Yeah, exactly like that. So bodies close within. A little bit higher. Around here. That would be ideal. Yeah, there you go. So that's going to be perfect. I want to come, take profit is going to be right here. I really think we can make it back up, back above these relative equal highs. And then possibly even new highs at the end of the day, so let's see. Hmm. That was a nice opportunity to get back into this fair value gap. Beautiful. Come on. Right here. Let's see. So bodies closed above the top half of this fair value gap, which is nice. Let's see. Make it a smidgen higher, a little bit higher. And 8 seconds left to this candle. That's fine. Boom. There you go. This candle should be bullish. What's your fill? What's your fill on futures? What price did you get in? 27.95. Let's go see. Futures 27.95. 7.95. Oh, ho, 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 fantastic. Okay, you got in at the right price. Nice. Okay, price balanced. Price is going up. Let's see. These highs should be taken. Yeah, these highs should be taken. But let's see how it reacts over here. Just gonna take this off like that. We have clear vision right here. This fair value gap. So now it's bouncing off the consequent encroachment. Let's see what this candle could do. There you go. So you see, that's why you wait for like the break in structure, because it gives you like the confidence of buying down here. Or else I wouldn't have been buying down here. There you go. And to be honest, like right now, I think it would be, you can bring your stop loss break even, well, for me, because these are wicks. I mean, there's no reason it should come back down. So I'm gonna pick up my stop loss over here. So risk less. There you go. That's it. Pick it back up. Let's go a little bit higher. I don't like that. I don't like what it just did. If you want to exit, you can. But I want it to fill this. If this remains open, I'm probably going to close my position. I want this candle to be green and close over here. Yeah, I need to see a green and go. Yeah, like that. Exactly like that. Or else I'm closing my position. It has to close within this wick. That's exactly what I like to see. You see, if it would close below this wick, then not for me. I would have closed my position. But now since it closed above this wick within the, like it didn't create a fair value gap to the downside, I am still going to be bullish, and I'm going to trail my stop over here. And if it stops me out, it's going to be a small stop out. Because if it comes back down now, I mean, why wouldn't it come take these lows if it goes below this? Take these highs like that. Let's see. 5 seconds left. Oh, I still like it. I just had to. It just had to not pass this. It's okay. You're gonna get used to it. You're gonna get used to feeling the heat. I'm used to feeling the heat now. I. It's okay. It's part of the game, Roger. It's how to control the emotion, right? So you control the emotion, and then you start think logically. So what is the condition for me to stay in? What is the condition for me to get out? So me, my condition was I needed this candle right here to close above this wick to not leave a fair value gap to the downside because that would create momentum to the downside, right? So that's why I stayed in. And now we're probably going to come and take these highs right here. And now you see stops break even, and I'm not risking anything on this position. And we're about to create two fair value gaps to the upside. So that's why I kept it. Let's go. Vamos. Vamos. Yeah, it's getting bought up. Now this is going to be used as an inversion and support if it comes back down. Inversion and support. Same thing goes for this one. So we have double inversion and a couple of supports over here. So I doubt it's going to come back to my price. I really, really doubt it. Okay, keep on pushing. And if it doesn't keep on pushing, well, I don't lose anything today, you know? Oh yeah, now it looks very good. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nah, you'll get used to it over time. You'll see. Now we just gapped up. Look at this. We just gapped up. So two gaps. One up, a second one up over here, and that gapped up in the first presented fair value gap. So we're taking these highs for sure, for sure. So you see, first take profit is going to be here. We're going to scale out of the position. See, so close. Now I could come back to over here. Leave one contract to the top. Yeah, yeah, that's the plan. So I'm probably gonna take this off right here. I can't modify this order, but I'm gonna probably take it off if it takes this. I'm gonna take the second one off over here, and those highs, I'm gonna, yeah, I know, relative equal highs. Well, yeah, yeah, these ones. I'm more looking for these ones than this one. So the last target is gonna be here. Let's go, baby. Take the first position. All the way back up would be nice right now. Like at least back here. Coming back down. Left relative equal highs over here. That's why. 13, 12. It's coming down. It's coming down a lot. Went into the last fair value gap, the bullish one. Let's see. Technically, I should have my stop right here. But I'm not willing to lose today, so I'll keep it there. Right here. Mm-hmm. Let's see. I want to see this close green, this candle. Yeah, now we're toast. Now we're gonna get stopped out. Let's see. I'm still willing to go back to those highs. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna pull back down my stop loss because I think we still have the chance of going back up. Anyways, if it goes below this, then that's fine. But I want to see this candle close green and above over here. I don't want to see it come below this. Come on. Okay. Now if it goes below this, I don't want it anymore. So at least I'm going to secure some profits and commissions. Let's see. There we go back. We're going back. Take those highs. There you go. So that's why I put it at this low over here. Because if it comes back to this low over here, then I don't care anymore about this trade. Good, good, good. Keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. Create a fair value gap. That's what we want. We want this fair value gap to stay open. Hmm. Come on. Push it. That is not what we want. And it stayed within that inversion. Let's see. That's gonna be bad. I'm gonna get stopped out now. For 100%. There you go. Stopped out. Now we're probably gonna come take these lows and in the afternoon come take these highs. Yeah, very strange. But it's okay. Yeah, but that's why you drag back up your stops, you know. You create conditions for you to exit. Boom. Breaking through. was this inversion that it stayed within. Straight through. There's the consequent encroachment of a 15-minute fair value gap over here. Let's put a line like that. We don't have the color in. The drop, the 1.618 retracement of this extension of this move is coming down over here. First position, I think I'm gonna enter it right now. So now we're in the 1 minute fair value gap that I liked. Market orders. Let's see. Right. So first one over here. So that's gonna be the first position. If we break above this, then I'm probably gonna stack another position. So basically what this allowed me to do, dragging my stop loss close by, is getting a better fill on the direction that I wanted it in the first place. So that I thought it would go in the first place. And if it continues to go lower, then I'll get a fill here and a fill there. You still on your Euro USD short? Okay. There you go. Here's the move. Okay. Fantastic. Come on. Got rejected above those highs. Market buy. All right, it's a stop loss over here. How much is that? 29,000. 44,000. Okay, let's see if it creates a fair value gap on a balanced price range. Yeah, I saw on the M15, but it closed below, so I mean, let's see if it's a sweep. But right now we just might have changed the direction completely. If it comes back here, I think I'm gonna buy some more. Ah, Euro USD. Let me go see. Day trading, Euro USD. Yeah, yeah. Could have definitely been a sweep. So yeah, we got to the first target that we wanted to see, like the fair value gap. The 1 minute fair value gap, that was our target. I got in, and we are currently 0.28% up, which is fantastic. That was clearly a sweep of these lows. There she goes. You're talking about the Euro USD or the Nasdaq? There's 2 minutes and 46 to this close. So if it closes like this, I'm pretty sure it's going to come and get the those relative equal highs up top. Because can just keep on pushing. Because now we took the liquidity over here from all the people that was like, oh no, we're gonna drag our stops up. Well, it took the stops. Now it's gonna come take these people that were short all this time. No, I don't think it'll go down again. I think it's gonna continue going up all the way to here for the rest of the day. But you know what? Like, look, my stop loss is going break even right now. So whatever happens, happens, right? I'll break even just a little bit above break even. Whatever happens, happens, and I think that we have a very good probability of coming to take these highs. But yeah, that's it for me today, Roger. We got one a little bit in profit just to cover the commissions for like the whole week, and now we have this one that is pretty good in profit uh, on the account, and we're gonna keep this break even and see if we can come get these highs by the end of the day because of the market sentiment and the tariff news. So that's it for me, Roger. I hope you have a great day and watch that risk management of yours, and everything is going to be fine. And for anybody else watching, trade safe. Have a great day, everyone. Ciao, Roger.